Hello and welcome to the Div++ YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn some useful shortcuts for developers using Visual Studio Code. Let's create an HTML file and open it with VS Code. So, if I write div-header, it will create a div element with the ID of header. Div.header creates a div element with the class of header. Forum-search.white creates a forum element with the ID of search and class of white. P.A1.A2.A3 creates a paragraph element which contains three classes A1, A2, and A3. UL greater than sign li asterisk 2 creates a UL element which has two li elements inside. Nav greater than sign UL greater than sign li creates a nav element which has a UL element inside, which also has an li element inside. Plus sign is used to create sibling elements. For example, div plus p plus ul creates three siblings elements. H1 curly brackets button creates an h1 element with the name of button inside. Ul greater than sign dot 1 creates a ul element which has li element inside with a class of 1. Table greater than sign dot row greater than sign dot call creates a table element which has a tr or table row element inside with a class of row, and a td element inside the tr element with the class of call or column. Ul greater than sign li dot items $sign asterisk 3 creates a ul element with three li elements inside with the class of item 1, item 2, and item 3.